Hey everyone, my name is Ashley Wright, business coach and cryptocurrency educator. And today I'm going to be showing you how I trade crypto literally in minutes. So let's get right to it. Hit it.
Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to show you the trade that I called. So this is the actual trade. I called this literally about 7 days ago. And you can see here our entry zone for this trade specifically was between 1,754 and 1,848. Now, keep in mind, this is Ethereum against the Canadian dollar. I have to shout out Toronto. That's where I'm from. And so, yes, I am trading Canadian dollars. Okay. So, yes, those are the entry zones. Our stop loss was at 1,664, and our TP1, 2, and 3 are highlighted in yellow. Okay, so this was the trade that I called out literally about 7 days ago. If we take a look at where it is today, you can see it is beautiful. We've already hit our take profit 1, which is amazing. Just going to go back again so you can see. So we literally would have entered actually the price came back down to the entry. So in this, when I actually took this screenshot here, price was about 2048. Okay, so it was, let's see here, it's roughly around this level because it was on the second. Yeah, perfect. It was roughly around here, which is perfect, but it came back down, tested our entry zone, which is perfect, and then literally just took off towards TP1. Okay, but I really wanted to showcase how I did my analysis, how I got to this point. So I'm just going to back up just a little bit here, move this over to the side. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. So what I really did in terms of how I saw this opportunity is, first of all, of course, looking at the chart, I see that you have to first understand what type of market that you're in. So is it, of course, is it going to be consolidating? Is it trending? Really have to get an understanding of what type of market it is, because that dictates how you should be doing your analysis. Okay, so for this example, I did see that we were consolidating just a little bit here. And so all I really did, and I'm just going to take that fib off for a second. I absolutely love using fibs. They're amazing. So that for those that are new, literally it's a fib retracement tool, Fibonacci. If you're not familiar with it, definitely go check it out. But the main thing that we're going to be using with it is making sure that we're going from the lowest point to the highest point, right? We want to get as much data as we can and really highlight those key levels. Okay, so keep in mind when you are using the Fibonacci tool, you want to make sure you're actually using the wick of the lowest closing candle and all the way to the wick of the highest closing candle. Okay, so in this scenario, just to give you guys a quick analysis here, roughly about there. Perfect. So like I said, when it is consolidating, you want to actually focus on the 786, 886 zones. I've highlighted and customized my fib, color coded it, right? Color coordinated it so that I can make it easier when I'm actually doing my analysis. But once again, you can see that's how I came up with our entries for the for this trade specifically for the 786, 886, right? Which is perfect, and that's why it's highlighted in green. So right there, you can see our entries. And then also in terms of our stop loss, of course, you want to do just below the last point, or the last place that we had that imbalance. So even though we were looking at the chart, yes, we put it right below here. You can see that this zone, this price point here is also really relevant as we start to look backwards just a little bit. So you can see this also was another previous point where we had a huge imbalance, and that literally just caused a really, really big move in the market. Okay, so the great thing about this type of trade and trading, your analysis this way is now you're taking trades that offer really, really low risk and high reward trades, which is amazing, because now literally if you're looking at it and you're actually looking at your risk to reward ratio. Literally, you can see our entry zone is so close to our stop loss, right? Which is beautiful because now you're not risking as much. Literally, you could have entered anywhere within this zone and your stop loss is just underneath it, okay? But the potential in terms of what you can gain is significant, right? So right now you can already see that we already hit our take profit number 1. And our TP2 is actually going to be at this point here, which is at that 2,567 mark. So right now we're just going ahead testing these levels before we make that next big move. But like I said, just wanted to jump in here real quick and keep you updated about how to start trading cryptocurrency and how to do your market analysis within a few minutes.